We're just at Thala Beach Nature Reserve.
We've seen on Instagram lots of people come here and bring their vans and take some really nice photos.
Yeah, we had the drone out, so we'll show you some footage.
We are currently at Mossman Gorge. I believe it's at the start of the Daintree Rainforest. There's a few treks that you can do around here, so we're just going to spend the day exploring.
We're just doing a 2K hike, so it should be a lot of fun. We're at the laundromat, so we're having heaps of fun doing our washing.
Yeah.
We just finished up at the laundromat.
Yeah, we're in Port Douglas. We're headed to Cape Tribulation this week, so we wanted to get all of our washing done before we get there. We are attempting to make coconut milk from the fresh coconuts that Jaden got the other day.
We've got a bit of MasterChef going on. We've got pulled pork nachos in the oven ready to go as well.
Yeah, so this could be a total disaster, but we'll give it a go anyway. Okay, so I forgot to film the blending process, but we blended 2 cups of shredded coconut, 3 cups of water, a pinch of salt, maple syrup, vanilla extract. So we blended that all up, and now it's going to go into this little bag.
Nut milk.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Fresh coconut milk from scratch. Jaden's gonna have it with his Fruit Loops, he reckons.
We just went to all that effort to make this fresh produce, so I said, yeah, let's have it with Fruit Loops tomorrow.
It'll taste good.
It would be good.
We're having pulled pork nachos for dinner tonight.
That's dinner for me. Eb's got lettuce, I think.
How are we going over here, Tara?
Almost finished.
Look at that. Yum.
Not another way of feeling alright. of you, it's true. We'll feel alive and the sun will shine. I wanna help you more. I've held you there as an open wound. We need to drive along the coast and be alone. I'd rather wait for a healthy you. I found a way out of here, it's true. We'll feel alive and the sun will shine. I wanna help you more.
How's the movie?
Great. Hey guys, we're just driving inland now. We're heading to Uluru over the next 2 weeks.
We're at Little Millstream Falls. It's a really nice swimming spot actually, but it's been pretty cold here lately, so we won't be swimming.
Crazy how like you go a little bit inland and then the weather changes drastically. It's been pretty cold.
Feeling alright. Stripped our clothes all along the beach. Held each other's hands and jumped into the sea. I'd rather wait for a healthy you. I found a way out of here, it's true. We'll feel alive and the sun will shine. I wanna help you more.
Just a big bloody hole with a couple of trees in it, mate.
You know the time we surfed tonight. Not another way of feeling.
We are at Undara Volcanic National Park. We wanted to do a few tours here today, but they were all booked out, which was a shame. That was your line.
Yeah, we're sort of learning the hard way that we need to start booking things in. It's just a bit hard because we don't know exactly where we're going to be at the time.
Yeah, so we have to start planning a little bit better, I think. But we're currently at, what is it called? The crater? Yeah, we don't know the name of it, but it's in the national park and it's a volcanic crater. So we're just doing the 2.5 kilometer loop around the edge of the crater. Since we came all this way, we thought we would do something at least. There's not really much to it from this point of view, but if you get a drone up in the air, you can see the crater a lot better.
We're just driving from Undara National Park to Porcupine Gorge National Park, and the whole way it's been like bitumen and dirt, so it's been pretty rough, but I think it's about 300 k's of it as well. But yeah, it's alright. We're on the bitumen again, which is good. Just when we thought it was over.
More dirt.
Dirt.